Namaste students, I JVN Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Session Heterogenesis Catalyst Heterogenesis System. The catalyst process in which the reactant and the catalyst are in the different phase is known as a heterogenesis catalyst. A suspension is a mixture in which the particles of a material are dispersed throughout a liquid or gas but are large that they are still out. The particles in the suspension are large to scatter and block light. A suspension can be separated by passing in through a filter. The different components are in the different phase, such as a solid in a liquid or liquid in a gas. It is necessary the sack to substance before using it. In this colloids is a mixture in which the particles are separated throughout but are not large to still out. The particles are not small and through a solutions. However, you are similar than those of the suspension. Difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous catalyst. First difference are homogeneous catalyst, a mixture in which different constituents are mixed is uniformly, and heterogeneous catalyst, a mixture in which different constituents are not mixed uniformly. Next, homogeneous mixtures, they are the cannot have physically disconnect part, and homogeneous catalysts, they are the physically disconnect part. Next are the homogeneous catalysts are constituent cannot be easily seen, and the heterogeneous catalysts are the constitutionally can be easily seen. Next, difference between homogeneous catalyst, the constituents cannot be easily separate, and the heterogeneous catalyst, the constituent can be easily separated. And the homogeneous catalyst particle size are 0.01 to 1 nanometer, can be atoms, ion and molecules, and the heterogeneous catalyst are particle size 1 to 100 nanometer 1000 nanometer, dispersed, can be combined in large molecules. And the particle size the over 1000 nanometers suspended, can be large particle or combined particles. That the homogeneous solution do not separate understanding, but the heterogeneous catalyst are particle still out clear. For example, of homogeneous solutions are solution of NaCl in water, solution of glucose in water, and heterogeneous catalyst are solution of starch, milk, pharmaceutical, suspension and emulsions. And the homogeneous catalyst are sugar solution, soda water, soft drink, vegenar, air, etc. are known as a homogeneous catalyst. But heterogeneous catalyst are sugar and sand mixtures, and milk, ink, paint, blood, etc. are known as a heterogeneous catalyst. Okay, thank you.